Thank you so very much, Vijay, for that such a loud welcome. And I believe after food, it's very difficult to keep people awake. Because I was asking Vijay and his team, do we have some music? Natu natu ho jaye kuch to. So we will have that as well for you. But thank you very much, Dr. Suresh, for explaining about the ISBA journey and how the team has been working collaboratively. And I would like to thank the entire people who are here, who have traveled miles and miles and taken that effort and pain to be here with all of us. So a big, big round of applause, जोरदार तालियां, धमाकेदार तालियां और तालियों की आवाज ऊपर आसमान तक जानी चाहिए. Thank you. So I am seriously overwhelmed with the kind of experience and expertise who are seated in this room. And छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात होगी कि हम आपके लिए क्या सेशन करें. We are here to learn from each other. We are here to collaborate. And thank you for this opportunity that we have got, T-Hub and the entire team for hosting us today and helping us with all the preparation. So this is the power of ISBA that we have been seeing for last several years, and more power to ISBA. और this journey has to continue. पता नहीं जब तक सूरज चांद रहेगा तब तक ISBA कौन रहेगा, right? So this is going to continue. First and the foremost, I would like to ask you a simple question. I would like to walk around and then I can have a discussion, because I don't feel like standing here and talking, because I want to have the connect, the face-to-face connect. So I'll be coming close to you. Please be prepared. I'm going to make you uncomfortable as well, so don't worry. So imagine if you're going to get some superpower. अगर आपके पास कुछ ऐसी शक्तियां, some superpower is going to be given to you all, what are you going to do with that power? You cannot use this for yourself. And if someone is answering one power I'm going to use for this, the other person cannot use the same power, because we come from the startup ecosystem. No cheating allowed, no copying allowed. You have to be unique. You have to come up with your unique thoughts. So who wants to start first? कुछ खूबसूरत लोग मुझे दिख रहे हैं. सर, आप बहुत स्माइल कर रहे हैं, आपकी स्माइल काफी अच्छी है.
That's the simplest one. I would love to be Mr. India, the invisible one.
Okay. Yeah. So I
Yes,
would
sir.
like to make India a superpower.
You would like to make India superpower. Okay, great. What about this side? Why this side is so quiet? My right side, people? Yes. आपके पास सुपर शक्तियां हैं. You are the Superman. What you want to change? Yes. Sir has raised his hand. Yes, sir.
मैं तो वो श्लोक के लिए बोलूँगा, सर्वेत्र सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामया. दुनिया में वसुदेव कुटुंबकम का, दुनिया में सबका अच्छा हो, ये ब्लेसिंग.
मैम,
Very nice thought, very noble thought. Yes, sir.
अगर मेरे पास हुआ तो मैं ये कहूँगा कि अपनी दिक्कतें, कमजोरियाँ सामने लाके रखो ताकि उसे सुधारा जा सके.
So you want to work on your inabilities? आप अपनी दिक्कतें सामने लाएंगे या सारे लोग? So you want to okay, बहुत अच्छे ख्याल है.
Can I?
Yes, yes, जी.
Yeah.
जी sir.
So basically, our education system has closed the minds of all the students.
Uh-huh.
And
So
if
you mean
I
to say
get
the
such
quality is
superpower,
not there?
I would just love to open up their minds. They should
You want
try
to
new
open
things.
up their minds.
They should be not afraid
Beautiful
of risks.
thought.
And I think that will be one good thing to do. We open up their minds. Their
Lovely.
minds are all closed.
Lovely. I see a beautiful lady sitting on this side. Okay, I'm coming. Don't get scared. Yes, ma'am.
I don't know, I may be the cheesiest, but I like Shah Rukh Khan. So maybe, I don't know, I just want to be there with that I'll use the superpower for.
So you want to be with Shah Rukh Khan? Oh, wow.
May
किसी चीज को बड़ी शिद्दत से चाहो तो सारी कायनात उसे लाने में लग जाती है. वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. आई विश मैं आपके लिए शाहरुख खान को लेके आती. कोई है यहाँ? काका किरण कोई है? शाहरुख?
not exactly that Kiran, but yeah, I'm a Kiran and I have a mic. So
लो मिल गए.
sure. Excuse me.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Can I?
Yeah, please.
Here.
Oh, sorry.
Piche.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not sure how many of the people here would appreciate the answer, but if I have the superpower to do anything, I would probably reduce or ideally make it zero, nullify the importance and influence of money.
Great. Influence of money. Matlab, you want to erase money completely, eradicate that completely.
Completely.
Completely. फिर
Well,
हम किसके लिए
people
लड़ेंगे
should
फिर?
not have another motivation to help than just to help,
Okay.
in my opinion.
Over here.
Wonderful. Shahid, you have something to add?
Yeah, Gladys, thanks, and foremost, thanks for calling us here and inviting to be a part of the iconic ISBACon 2024. And the way Gladys is, she involves everybody in the session. I've seen her sessions before, so I would see that if everybody is here for a cause and incubation, I would love to have a power of understanding how to evaluate a startup which is going to be a success tomorrow. So if that power is given to me, I think we all would want to have that power. No, that's something which really incubation should have. And I don't know how and when and how could we do that, but I'm sure the technology is evolving, and we might tomorrow have a power of understanding and evaluating it in the right way. Thanks so much, Gladys.
Beautifully said, Shahid. Thank you so very much for such a terrific answer.
Over here, ma'am. I'm the newest member of ISBA. I've just joined.
The newbie we have.
Yes, the newbie and the young energy. So I always wanted to, give options to women. More options to women who can do something with their
More
lives.
power to women.
Yeah,
Yes.
more power to women and more options to women, which they can do with their lives. So that power actually I've got recently because I'm the new CEO of SNDT Vice, where we have 70,000 women. It's the only women university of India.
Wow.
And recently I'm the new CEO, and I have got the power to actually change the lives of women of India, nationally as well as internationally. And I would love that everyone supports me nationally. And this whole thing has to be like a one energy for India, so that we can represent internationally too.
Lovely. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
So कोई और जिसके मन में तूफान उठ रहा है कि मुझे बोलना है लेकिन अंदर से संकोच है कि क्या मैं बोलूं? Yes, I saw somebody. Yes.
Well, such a nice question, and I think I feel that if you had a superpower does not really translate, because for me I feel like there is the superpower which exists when you're part of such an ecosystem which is so inclusive, and you have everybody who is talking about collaboration, who's not just talking about it but also doing it. And like Vijay mentioned, collaboration is the new competition. That kind of really resonates well. And I'm right now heading the incubator SPTBI as part of the Bharati Vidya Bhavans in Mumbai, and I'm looking at amazing work being done in the startup ecosystem, and very happy to be part of this community and doing my part.
Very warm welcome to ISBACon.
Thank you.
Sir.
Yeah, if I were to have that superpower, first and foremost is I think everyone should be literate enough to understand the nature, and so that they can be self on their own.
Thank you. Thank you so very much. And one more question I'm going to shoot to each one of you. Do you really need some superpowers to do good to the humankind or to the world? Or do you already have such powers in your hand? क्या आप में वो ताकत है? Yes, no, maybe?
I think everyone has one power, that is power to change. Anything or small thing, anyone can change. So we all have, we just have to implement on that power to change.
Right. So, in this room, you can see the power. Can you feel the power in this room? Yes. Can we hear the power? Yes. Yes. Absolutely. So I am really, really happy that the kind of response that we have got. And I know that you all belong to one or the other incubators. We were expecting incubation managers, but I'm happy to see that the expertise and the people who are here. So we would like to ask you, what do you think we can do to improve our startup ecosystem? What are the qualities that we can bring in that will help this startup ecosystem. How we can be, I mean, like we start comparing with Y Combinator, that's the number one. That is one among the number one. But why can't our incubation center, why we can't have such kind of powerful institution here? Don't you think we have the courage? We all have. But who is going to change this? We. Okay, so anyone, you must have gone through Y Combinator style. How is their training pattern? What exactly they do? What is the standard that they have set for? What are the standards that is being set for Y Combinator for selecting the startups and supporting the ecosystem? Anyone? Yeah. Okay. क्या Y Combinator का नाम सुना है? क्या है ये? एक्सेलरेटर है, इंक्यूबेटर है? कौन सी भाषा में आप लोग समझते? इंग्लिश, हिंदी, मलयालम, तमिल, तेलुगु, गुजराती, मराठी? बिकॉज पूरा भारत आज यहाँ पर है, राइट? एक मिनी भारत यहाँ पर है. यस. ओके. Let's keep Y Combinator aside.
Hi Gladys. This side, back side.
Sorry, मेरी दूर की नजर.
No, I got it. It's okay. So
yes.
Coming to that Y Combinator part, like coming to a question rather,
yes.
which you asked
Okay.
that, what are the things which perhaps
So
Y Combinator?
what are the standards? I mean, like what set them apart from the rest of the world? Why people talk about Y Combinator के startups? They have reached to that level. I mean, like why? क्यों?
No, of course, like it has been in their case, over 15 years of now legacy. Earlier wasn't a legacy for sure, but I see based on my experience, because I had kind of cleared 2 rounds of interview when I was a founder with YC.
Okay.
So what
So you have
I
applied
felt,
there?
yeah. So
Okay.
I got a reply and I got a chance to have interaction with their people as well.
How
so
was the grilling process? I would ask.
No, the process was actually very exhaustive in the sense that
Very
they had
exhausting.
asked, they
Yeah,
had asked,
absolutely.
like, they had asked subjective questions, and that was like tons of questions.
Tons of
and
questions.
I was supposed to write and not like book and write. So all the questions are very introspective.
Okay.
So I could feel that they somehow want to do the filtering process and understand the founder's grit and the founder's philosophy more than anything else. Because of course 80% of their startups are the startups are at idea stage level itself, like the other 20% of the startup.
Yeah.
So I think that
you can continue.
The
I'll just
founders.
go and change the slides. Yeah. Yes. So they do have a 45 minutes of filtering session, a discussion, a deep dive discussion happens with the people who have applied. I need the slider. Yeah. So we are here to talk about the quality standard which is being set by Y Combinator. Anyways, that is there. The application, the amount of application that they receive is in thousands. Do you think everybody can get through there? No. So that's why there is a standard in place. Do we have a standard in our incubation center? Do you guys have a pre-elimination round, I mean like a selection process to check the quality of startups? We do have, right? So how are we selecting the startups to check the quality? I mean like what exactly you all check?
From Indian Agricultural Research Institute. So we are checking whether it is technically feasible to make that kind of a product or the business viability also, and then we check the IP and other stuff. So 3-level checking that we do for scrutinization, and then after 2-way filtering again, like we are also getting applications in thousands, and we are taking 40-45 startups out of that. So rigorous checking. Yeah. No, in a year. For a specific program, yeah.
We place a large stress on the team and the problem they are solving, and how good they are technically at it. We don't care whether the product is going to succeed or not, as long as the team knows what they're doing.
Great points. Thank you so very much. So team plays a bigger role. If there is a founder, co-founder, you should know who exactly is part of that entire team, whether they are going to stick together or they are going to perish in some time. So similar pattern is being applied as sir mentioned. They check for the technicality, they check for the business. They don't care, I mean like this is going to sustain, but how confident these individuals are. So that's why the percentage that gets shortlisted at the top level is very bleak. Very less number of people make at that level. So we also need to come up with certain strategies where we get the best of the best lot so that we can produce the best entrepreneurs from our country. And you all sitting here are the best of the best ecosystem. And we have the power to do such job. Only thing is that we need to take that efforts. I remember one of the story, long time ago, there was an auction happening somewhere. Lot of beautiful items were placed in that particular auction. There were jewelry, gems, diamonds, and antique pieces as well. Slowly, gradually, each and every pieces started going off. I mean, the bid started and things were getting sold. There was one red guitar which was also placed in that bid. The cost of the guitar was $5. That was the least amount quoted for that guitar. The guitar was in broken shape. The strings were broken. It was completely dusted. And people did not even bother to look at that guitar. They didn't want it to buy. I mean, like, who will bid for such a ugly looking guitar, and that too in broken? So one gentleman walked in and he said that I want to take this guitar. They said, okay, fine. As the crowd were there for the bidding, they slowly started walking out. This gentleman nicely cleaned that guitar. The strings which were broken, he tied those strings and started playing the music. The entire room was filled with such a melodious music. People who were there, who were walking out, they slowly started coming back. Because this gentleman was able to identify the worth of that particular guitar, which nobody noticed. Again, they put this guitar back into the bidding, and that was sold for the highest price for that particular day. Right? So you need to identify the best of the best lot. You will get a lot of applications. You reject. Sometimes they go back and do better. We ask them, okay, no, nahi chalega. But are we seriously working with these startups? Are we really genuinely taking interest in these startups? How much efforts we put? How much support we provide? I have been part of a couple of panel discussions. So one of the, I don't want to name where exactly this was. So one boy was just presenting his case. It was a pitch presentation. He presented his case, and there were a lot of people who were there in the panel. So one person was really rude. I mean, like, this is not going to work. Stop it. No, nahi chalega. Na, band karo, band karo. Like, that's really mean, so rude. I mean, if you straight away shoo away that person, where he's going to end up? He has spent close to 10 years building that product. At least have a look. Because you did not identify the worth of that particular product, that doesn't mean it's not valuable, right? You need to have those eyes to go through that particular lens and check, is it going to work or not? Support them, but do not demotivate people. That should be the last resort. You can tell them, okay, this might not work, but can we not try this way, right? So we are talking about quality. What is quality? Creating quality. I'll come back to you guys only. Sir, you're smiling again.
Again, the classic definition is conformance to requirements.
Yes. Anything more? Yes, sir.
Whatever conformance has to be done, whatever is desired, meeting those things, or how closely meeting those things.
Okay. How closely you can meet the requirements, okay. Anything else? Yes, sir. Nice suit.
So basically, I try to say that a startup is primarily a business idea. So if you don't get the business part straight, then it remains an engineering experiment. And that is where we would try to steer them towards the commercial success.
The parameters that you have kept for the
4 slides.
4 slides. Okay.
First is who will buy,
Who will buy?
why they will buy,
Why they will buy?
what
Where you are going to sell it? And
what options they have.
options they have. Okay.
And if these questions are answered, then we move on to the remaining part. And then we work backwards to cost and the other things. But the first thing is there a market for this?
Is there a market? Absolutely.
And that comes from the statement that a startup is primarily a business idea.
Correct. Because they do not get the right direction. They do not go and check the market need directly. People are so attached to their product. It's my baby. Because I made it, it's going to be the best in the world, right? मेरा बच्चा सबसे खूबसूरत, right? सब जितनी माताएं यहाँ बैठी हैं, जितनी बहनें यहाँ बैठी हैं, they'll tell, okay, my baby is the best, right? If you ask to compare. But when we are talking about product, can we be emotional with the product? Do we need to be emotional? Get emotional. We keep telling people, don't get emotional with your product. If you're getting any feedback, don't take it to your heart. This is for your betterment. This is for your good. Ji, sir.
Madam, I personally feel that the product can be better from the previous one. And
Absolutely.
It should be product, what we call, providing service at assured level is far most important than what we cannot say is better
बिल्कुल
product.
सर तो वर्जन हो सकते हैं because we
Maybe
tell that
it
okay
has to be
इसका
better
अगला
from the previous version.
right पहला जो बना है उससे बेहतर
And
और
it can-
बेहतर और बेहतर
And moreover, it should
keep
be sustainable
improving.
for long period so that there will be less competition. We are talking about startup. I think what we start today, that startup may excel after 2 years, 3 years. We need to think of future
Yes.
and we need to support those startups which can sustain for long run. I feel
Absolutely.
that.
Sustainability is very important. नहीं तो कहाँ जाएंगे हम, right? These are some of the questions. Sir ने कुछ questions बताए. Some of the questions that you can add when you're dissecting the startup. The word dissect I use because we literally butcher the startup. हम बहुत बुरी तरीके से कत्ल करते हैं, right? We are preparing them for the best or the worst for tomorrow. But that doesn't mean क्योंकि today we are working with such a young generation or आज की generation, they want Maggie in 2 minutes. They don't have this much of time. So you need to have patience to work with these individuals. You need to understand their thought process and ideology, what exactly they want. What kind of mentoring style you have? किस टाइप की mentoring करते हैं आप लोग? Is mentoring happening religiously? Do we do the right mentor and mentee match? Or just because we want to fill up the Excel sheet and do the check box, we just fill in that? Do we really do? Because I have observed this at several places. किसी को भी बिठा दिया, okay, just have a discussion, ठीक है यार कर ले, हो जाएगा. No. Please don't do that. If you do not have the expertise, bring in someone who can add value rather than just क्योंकि you're playing with someone's career. उस बेचारे ने या बेचारी ने अपनी पूरी जिंदगी उस पे लगाई है and you don't know what you're doing with them, right? Team के बारे में someone spoke about team. Everyone is working in a team or we work in silos? सबकी team है? Do you believe in teamwork? We believe? Is team important? Together we swim and sing together? Huh? We do? So why team is important? To dependability? To become champions? Absolutely. What else? Everyone doesn't have it. It has to be a complementary skill. What happens if you have all tech experts in the office? What will happen to the rest of the things? Who will take care of HR, marketing, and the rest of the business? Will it be managed or handled? नहीं होगा, right? We mostly Y Combinator, we were discussing about Y Combinator. So let me tell you, the selection process that we were discussing, they have a very rigorous process. So there is a 45-minute, if in case any startup is lucky enough, I would say lucky, if they succeed, they will have a discussion, a virtual discussion or a face-to-face discussion whatsoever. And if they succeed from there, there is another 3 to 4 months that they're going to spend in training. So this is a kind of training, a rigorous training that happens where they learn a lot. Every week they'll organize certain dinner where they invite the alumni, the startups who are already doing well in the market. They invite and they talk about their stories, not just success, but the failures as well. Because startup is not all about success, right? Each step that they're going to take, there will be failures, but they need to learn from those failures. Every moment, they need to learn. And it's 24/7 job. Our job is okay, we are doing 9 to 5, 9 to 6, done. You can go home and sleep. But can they? They can't. They are the whole and soul for that particular product. So give your support wholeheartedly. Dil se karo, nahi to mat karo. We talk about, okay, that incubation center is really doing good. We start comparing, okay, T-Hub, I'm using T-Hub as an example. Please don't quote me on this. T-Hub is doing itne log aa rahe hain, this is happening, that happening. Why we are not doing such things? No comparison. So isi baat pe I remember one more story. I enjoy telling story. So there were two boys who decided to go to the seaside and they thought, okay, we don't have a job. Let's collect some seashells. Seashells, समझते हैं? समुंदर के किनारे जो सिप्पियाँ होती हैं. We'll collect these seashells and then we'll make some money out of this. So those two boys, एक का नाम Ram, the other one was Sham. He said, okay, you go to the left side, I'll go to the other side. And we'll meet for lunch and we'll see how much we have collected by lunchtime. He says, okay, fine, let's go. So both of them disperse and Ram goes to the right hand side. Whatever he gets, he quickly collects all those and puts in his bag. And during lunch, he also get a bigger shell. So during lunch, these two gentlemen meet at the center point. And then when Sham sees that, oh, my friend Ram has got so many shells and he's got a bigger one. I don't have that. The jealousy has taken place. Irsha andar aa gayi. I do not have this. So I need to get much better than this one. So he goes to the other side again. And then whatever he had, he throws everything on the way in search of a bigger one. Evening again, they return back. And Ram asks, what happened, Sham? Your bag is completely empty. Did you not get anything? He said, no, I got, but I was trying to find a bigger piece. I couldn't get a bigger one. So I've just thrown all what I have collected. They go to a nearby shop to sell this. And as soon as they reach the shop, the shopkeeper gives 5,000 to the bigger one and 10,000 to the smaller shells that they have collected. So Ram was very happy and Sham was more jealous. He was filled with a lot of filth and all this disgusting feeling that, oh my God, my friend got this much and I did not get anything. So Ram tells his friend, see my friend, you have thrown whatever I picked up those shells. So the bigger one has given me 5,000, the smaller one has given me 10,000. If you wouldn't have thrown this, you would have got this money, right? So small opportunities comes your way. Try to grab such opportunities rather than shooing away, oh, ye chota kaam hai. We will not collaborate with them. We will not do programs with them. We will not do such things. Koi chota bada nahi hai. Right? Everybody is playing their part. Do your bit. Add your part. What value you can bring to the... Okay. It's... How much time do I have? Did I exceed? Okay. So then I will move quickly. Okay. So when you're working in the team, last part I would like to discuss one of my favorite and interesting part. किसी को कभी गुस्सा आता है यहाँ? कितने लोगों को यहाँ गुस्सा आता है? सच बोलना, सच के सिवा कुछ मत बोलना। आता है, आता है। हाउ मेनी पीपल गेट एंग्री हियर? मतलब जिन लोगों के हाथ नीचे हैं उनको कभी इतने साधु संत महात्मा लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं, वाओ, रियली नाइस। सो यू गाइज जिन्होंने हाथ नहीं उठाया, आप लोगों को गुस्सा नहीं आता? या सोच रहे थे कि मतलब कोई देखेगा तो क्या सोचेगा, अरे इसको गुस्सा आता? सबको आता है। वी आर ह्यूमन बींग्स, राइट? वी आर नॉट मशीन्स। So what happens? Do you have conflicts anyways? Don't give any organization का नाम। आपस में झगड़ा होता है, घर में भी होता है, जहाँ 4 बर्तन होते हैं, खनकते हैं, राइट? होते हैं? So conflicts do happen. So what do you do when you are really angry, you're not feeling good about such situation? What do? Startups हैं, उनको भी बहुत गुस्सा आता है। So this is any which ways आप सब लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा। Have you heard about the conflict resolution style? सुना ही होगा, जितने लोग मैनेजमेंट वाले हैं या नॉर्मल भी सुना ही होगा। So competing, shark, have you seen shark? What kind of quality does a shark has? Aggressive, that kind of behavior. So every time you cannot be very suppressive in nature, you need to be aggressive, but depends on the situation. हर बार आप शांत रहोगे तो people will use you like tissue paper, right? Compromise, fox जो है, compromise करना, उसके भी उससे we can learn. At times you need to compromise. Every time you cannot be in a fighting mode. Compromise. Certain situations, compromise. But अपने दिल पे हाथ रखकर कुछ गलत है तो डोंट कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन सच थिंग्स। बोलेंगे कि अरे प्री सेशन में दे टोल्ड ओके कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर लो, वी डिड कॉम्प्रोमाइज, सो डोंट डू दैट। टर्टल का नेचर, हैव यू सीन इफ देयर इज सर्टन चैलेंजेस या कुछ आता है, टर्टल वो सीरियसली अपना मुंह अंदर ले लेते हैं, मतलब दे विल टेक द हेड इनसाइड द शेल बिकॉज दे नो देयर इज अ डेंजर. So you need to avoid certain situations. At time, if you avoid such situation, you will be at a safer place. Collaboration. You need to collaborate as well, like all. So if you go and read this, you will learn a lot. I mean, like, I'm sorry I don't have that much of time to talk because 30 minutes hai, ma'am is looking at me. And accommodating as well. So जब accommodate करना है, we will accommodate. जब aggressive होना है, passion होना है, so these are certain styles you can incorporate in your nature, in your style, that will help you. Anyway, certain pitfalls are there. This is if the leader is not great. Anyways, अपने organization के don't look at your head or bosses. If the leader is not taking the right decision, what all can happen. So a leader has to be strong. I'm not saying that only the head of the institution is a leader. Everybody who is sitting here is a leader, right? You all take decisions, you all plan certain things, you do a lot of stuff together. So you all are a leader. But certain times, certain decisions that you have taken can make it or break it. So whenever you are in angry mode, so never make a permanent decision when you are in any such mode. Chill, cool down, take your time, go for a walk, and then come back and go back and teach the same thing to your startups because they also need to inculcate certain habits. Yeah.
To stay informed about the startup ecosystem, subscribe to My Startup TV.